Magandang hapon po ng Monday, February 5, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Monday, February 5, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng February 5, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, February 5, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 38 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 22 million pesos for February 5, 2024 Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, February 5, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.